dream of becoming a fashion designer but don't know where to start? Whether you have no degree, no experience, or no money, this video will show you the real step-by-step way to become a fashion designer. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Faiza, a self-taught fashion designer and founder of Iza Clothing. I teach aspiring designers like you to start, build, and grow your clothing brand while sharing my own journey. Today, I'll break down how you can become a fashion designer, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, to start this journey, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to learn the basics. I say this to whoever cares to listen. You have to learn the basics of fashion design. And you don't have to go to a fashion school before you can do this. I explain in depth on this very particular topic in this video. You can check it out to get the full gist on that. The interesting part is that you don't have to go to a fashion school before you can do that. You can check out free resources here online and you will be good to go. I recommend using YouTube to get tutorials on how you can start this journey. And this video is actually part of the resources here on YouTube because it's free. You can use Pinterest for inspiration. That's just, give you the mood boards and everything, bringing your designs to life. And you also can check out beginner tutorials videos on how to cut and join piece together. It is, free and convenient. You can learn them anytime and anywhere. Aside free resources, you have to learn the fundamentals, and these include, the sewing basis, the cutting basis, and sketching. Another thing you're gonna have to do on your journey of becoming a fashion designer is to inculcate the habit of practicing any new skill you learn. After watching this video, I want you to test yourself by trying out these free resources that I mentioned here on YouTube. You can just type sewing tutorials on a particular design that you want to start with. You don't have to start with everything. You can just decide that, okay, I want to learn the sketching aspect of fashion designing. And then you will be disciplined and focused on it. So what I'm saying in essence is that you've got to practice. You have to practice for all of these things that you're learning to stick and work for you. You can just get, fabrics, pieces that you are not making use of and try out some of these tutorials you learned online. And this is how you perfect your skills and, master them. I want you to understand this fact that every piece you make will always teach you something new. Even if it is a small fabric, even if it is something small like a pieces or anything, just try out the new designs that you just learned. You have to build your own unique style and identity. A place like fashion is a kind of saturated niche that even you and I know that it's kind of saturated. So for you to find your voice, you have to have your own unique style and identity. And this is what this channel is about, to help you discover yourself, try new things, and you will be glad you did. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I share a new post like this. I'm building a whole series to help you grow and build your fashion brand from scratch. So you're going to want to stick around with me on this journey. I don't want you to forget the fact that fashion design is all about creativity. So you have to be clear on your own unique style for you to bring out the creativity in you and as well show it to the world. This is how you do it. You're gonna want to ask yourself, is it streetwear? Is it modest wear? Is it just luxury and just, vibe? Just try to find your own kind of vibe. Start building a mood board and, showcasing your style. Like, make it be visible to you yourself so you can be sure of what exactly it is you are building. This will actually help you to be clear on your style, your preference, and your own specific niche. If you watch this video to this point, then it shows that you are indeed ready to start your fashion brand. There is this skill that is kind of, not really popular amongst people, and those that knows about it are very secretive about it. And this is about the business side of fashion. Now I want to plead with you, I want to beg you, you have to learn the business side of fashion. This channel will help you with that. We talk about the business side of fashion, the ups and downs, mistakes, and the uncertainty every designers feel. I feel like it's a safe space for fashion designers like us, like mine, to talk about this and things that are happening in the world of fashion. And I feel like there are not more channels that talk about this, and this is what this channel is about, to tell you, to discuss and talk about the business side of fashion. It doesn't have to end at cutting and sewing. You have to understand the science of how you can, package yourself, your business. And I want you to know that a designer isn't just an artist. You're gonna have to learn branding, pricing, marketing, and how to sell your design. You're gonna want to start small. You see, you don't need a big factory or a big studio for you to start. And this is what keep most people stuck. Most want to have, the luxury fashion house studio before they can get started. And let me tell you one honest truth. If you're waiting for the perfect time, it will never come. The time when you feel you are not even ready, is the best time to start. I want you to remember this fact that all these big brands that you're looking at right now, many brands started with, small orders, made to order before they became this big. There's this thing I see most people find hard to do, and this is about showing up for your work. You're going to want to put your work out there. You have to optimize social media. You show up on TikTok, Instagram, put your work there. Let people know you for your work. And this is what I do as well in Laser Clothing. I make sure I create piece, showcase the piece, tell people the story, even if you're not getting sales at that time, but you're creating a portfolio for yourself. And that's the beauty of everything. So you're gonna want to put your work out there. Let people see how creative you are, and you'll be glad you did. But I want you to understand this fact that you don't have to wait till you are ready. People want to see your growth, how you build your brand. They want to learn. They want you to motivate them. And I want you to start doing that from today. To be honest, this is how you start building your own supporters and customer base, and they eventually become your customer. But you don't want to stop that. Now, if this video helped you, I want you to give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I share videos that are impactful and as well insightful for you, most especially if you are serious about becoming a fashion designer or building your clothing brand. Now, if you will be starting this very journey today, comment "I am ready" in the comment section. I want to share you. Till I see you in my next one. Bye bye.